Hey, Zadini UK here. Welcome to my devlog introduction. In a series of bizarre and educational episodes, I will be showing you my journey of making games and assets of all kinds. I wouldn't say I'm the best in the world, but I would say I can get the job done. Make some good looking assets. As you can see here, I started off with no skill, assets looking kinda bland, boring, to now making good looking assets and game ready assets which work and run great in games. Now onto my main project right now, Project Max. If you follow me on Twitter, you'll already know what I'm talking about. If not, you should probably follow me on Twitter if you haven't already, so then you get the updates early. On Twitter, I've been hyping this project up for a while now. Project Max is a 3D platformer with the main focus being on horror. My team took a massive inspiration from the game franchise Little Nightmare to start creation on this game. My role in the creation of this game is the project manager, programming, and 3D modeler. I know, so many roles. Shush, small team, it works, shut up. With everyone else on my team either being UI artist, concept artist, and 3D modeler. Now let's stop with the boring stuff and let me show you the game already. This is Max, your main character in the game. You will start off in this level, abandoned and left for scrap by your owner. Each sector of the game, you will be able to interact with the payphone. As you can see, it's red, it's cool, okay? And unlock a new ability, which the whole sector will primarily focus on. For example, this sector will be jump. Your first ability will be jump, and everything in this sector will be most likely focusing on the jump ability. I know the idea is very simple, but that's how games do be, you know. It's 2020, 2021. Everything's simple, but simple doesn't mean bad. It can be good. And see that cool art above the payphone? That was made by yours truly, our concept artist, Josie Bean. All the links in the description. If you want to see more about her, we got a Twitch, we got a Twitch. Well, yeah, she does art. It's cool. She's a concept artist, and she makes some good textures sometimes. Very cool. You might be wondering, how did this project even start? And I'm here to answer that for you. It started off as a school project we were assigned to make. We had 5 weeks to make it. So we had big ideas, because we made another game called Among Mars, link in the description, in a week, and it turned out very well. You know, worked great, looks good, it's great. So we thought, why not dream bigger? And we created the idea of Project Max, a 3D platform with a massive idea around psychological horror and a deep story about human versus robot. During this series of episodes, each episode I will show each big process I make with this game, and I'll show you in brief how I did that. So make sure to hit the subscribe button to know when the first episode of Project Max Devlog comes out, and you'll be able to get early access to be able to see the game. I'll try to keep the spoilers low because the game's all about the story, so don't worry about the spoiling of the story, but I'll be showing you how I made that, like programming, how I made the asset, all that stuff. But I won't bore you with that stuff. I'll just be that guy who shows the fun stuff, like actual working in the game. So make sure to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the first episode. Peace out.